Hey everybody, it's Kenneth here from License to Grill. Today I'm going to take a look at the flexible grill light from Big Green Egg. I'm going to install it on my large Big Green Egg and give you my thoughts on this and whether or not it's a valuable accessory. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Alright, let's get started. Okay, let's see what we have in the box. So we get the flexible grill light, a mounting bracket, and on the back here we've got some instructions. In order to get the light started, we do have to remove this bottom cylinder and remove this little plastic piece. Okay. All right, well, I guess our batteries must be dead, so let's try that again. Okay, so I've gone and got some of my own AAA batteries. Hopefully this will work and get the light shining. Just make sure all the lights all the batteries are in the correct way with the positive and negatives. Place that in. This raised side should go up to the top with the flat side attached to the light here at the bottom. Switch that off. Oh, be careful not to break those threads. And there we have it. Okay, we're ready now to mount the light to the egg. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach this mounting bracket directly to the egg, but there are other mounting options for this light. If you have the Nest or table, it can be mounted to pretty much anything. I'm going to be mounting this bracket here underneath the handle lug. The mounting bracket comes with two rubber grommets here and here. We're going to actually take this left one out and leave the other one in order to utilize this hole and stabilize the bracket. So I'm just going to take my adjustable wrench, undo that nut, screw it out, give it a little bit of a clean. I'm going to place the bracket in like so and just make sure that rubber grommet goes in the other hole there to keep the bracket steady. So back on with the lock nut, tighten by hand, make sure it's still in position, get it nice and straight, and then we can finally tighten it up with a couple of spins of the wrench. There we go. All right, and there we have it. Bing. Okay, as a light, it illuminates really well in the straight up light position, or you can obviously move it down around. Initial thoughts, it illuminates the entire grill really well, but we will wait a few minutes. We'll come back out when it's dark to see how it works for grilling or smoking when the sun goes down. So now that the sun's down, we're going to see how well the light works in the dark. So opening the grill without the light turned on, you can see the back areas of the grill are pretty dark back there. Be pretty difficult to see what you're doing. With the light turned on, it completely illuminates it, virtual daylight. So you can see exactly how dirty the grill is right now. Okay, so the pros. Overall, I really like the Big Green Egg flexible grill light. I like the construction of it. It's all aluminum body. This LED is quite powerful for its size, and I like its vertical configuration. I really like the aesthetic of the light, so you can see that it's got the Big Green Egg green on the barrel, quietly nice marked up with their logo as well, and also the mounting bracket is quite slim and aesthetically pleasing on the egg. The grill light itself is removable, so it is you can take it inside for storage or when doing daytime cooks. The mounting magnet itself is quite powerful as well, so even when in use and it gets some knocks during that nighttime grilling, it shouldn't fall off. From a con standpoint, I think there are two real standout cons for me. First of all, the price, $32.99. I think with anything Big Green Egg, you are should be expecting to pay a premium. I have put some options of other grill lights that are available cheaper below in the comments. And secondly, when I did receive the light, the 3 AAA batteries that were included, factory sealed from Big Green Egg, were actually dead, and I had to replace those before making this video. I think overall, if you're an egghead like me, it's a really good accessory to have. Other than that, there are many options for LED grill lights.